Now the next tool to learn is Quick Selection tool. Select the tool. This tool helps us to select the subject in a different way. You need to click and drag the mouse to a similar color to select that area. The tool will observe the area around it and select the similar color in the continuation. As you drag, the new area with a similar color will get selected too. This tool is in addition mode by default. It means you don't have to press the Shift key to add new areas to your selection. We have 3 buttons on the option bar to add or subtract the areas from the selection. You can also do it by pressing the Shift key or Alt key during the selection process. You can change the tool size according to the areas you want to select or deselect. We have a size option from where we can increase or decrease the size of the tool. We can also use the square bracket keys to increase or decrease the tool size. Next, we have a hardness option. By decreasing the hardness value, the tool adds soft edges like a feather so that the area with softened edges can be selected with feather. You can also change it by using Shift and square bracket keys. The next option is spacing. Let's keep as it is right now. We will discuss this during learning the brush tool. Sometimes selecting or deselecting the pixels from a specific area is not possible with the round shape of the tool. As you can see, some more areas also got selected during our selection. Let's remove this by the round shape. Press the Alt key on the keyboard or select the third button from the options bar. We need to decrease the size of the tool so that it can go to small areas without affecting the desired areas. We can change the tool's roundness either by changing its parameter or by changing the position of dots on the border of the circle icon. You can see now it's easy to reach the small areas and edit. For some areas, the tool might not work well. Right now, the tool is like a horizontal ellipse and we want it to be rotated to reach other small areas. For that, we have angle option on the option bar. We can rotate the tool according to the angle we want to work on the image. We can also rotate the tool by the right arrow and left arrow keys on the keyboard. It will rotate the tool clockwise or anti-clockwise by 1 degree each time you press any of these 2 keys. For faster rotation in multiplication of 15, press arrow keys with holding the Shift key. The next option, sample all layers, work the same as we have discussed for the magic wand tool. It will search for the pixels from all the layers. Auto enhance option will soften the edge a little for the area we have selected. So the question which I can think of is, how useful is roundness and angle in the quick selection tool? So sometimes it's difficult to reach smaller areas on an image to select or deselect the pixels. Roundness will squeeze the circle from top and bottom only to make it thinner. Angle option will rotate the squeezed circle to specified angle.